Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have, courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2021 Ford Escape Hybrid SE. This is the all-wheel drive SE Sport Appearance Pack, and it has a really nice ice finish to it because this is New England and things get a little icy. I think there might be a button for it, either that or when the car's running it won't open. That's right. So yeah, you'll hear a little bit of noise from the sunroof just because I just started the car up a little while ago and it's still a little bit iced over, which also means these roads, you can see the salt on the ground. They might be a little slick or slickery. Slick and slippery, but pretty sweet. Took the car home last night, drove it for a little bit, and now I'm running a little late for the Saturday morning meeting because I didn't expect the roads to ice over like they did. I would be driving in sport mode. Actually, let's see. Is there a slippery? Slippery! I like slippery mode. Slippery mode's a good mode to drive in right now. I'm still debating on what way to take to work today because I'm not sure. I mean, I have brakes here, but look how much salt's on the ground. You can hear it. So I'm debating if I should take the highway or the main roads. I will say I have enjoyed my time in this thing. It's pretty cool. I've spent time in a couple different hybrids now, and this one's definitely pretty fun to drive. Good amount of power. Yeah, that squeaking's just the ice on the sunroof. You do also have a brake coach, so it tells you how much potential energy you recouped under braking. Right now it's snowing, so let's just add another slippery element to the drive. Seating position, you're very upright. Well, obviously that's the way I drive too. You're very up high, I should say. You're sat up high. Visibility is excellent. One thing, brakes are a little weird to get used to. A little pressure goes a long way, and it's easy to burn through that regenerative braking and start getting into the normal brakes. And obviously for brake coach to get 100%, you want... Yeah, see, I went through the regen and onto the actual brakes, and brake coach didn't really like that. Judging by how much salt is being put down, I think I'm gonna go highway. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Wow, can't believe I just said that on the internet. Probably just keep this speed. Because what are we at? 29 degrees Fahrenheit, so. See this decreasing radius turn. It's easy to be tripped up by this turn. Not sure how it's going to come across on camera because it's a wide angle lens, but you can see that it gains sharpness pretty quick. I do apologize for being a little bit quieter on this review, but like I said, I'm running late for work. I gotta be there for the Saturday morning meeting. If you work in the car business, you know. And these roads are a little sketchy. Although these highways do seem perfectly fine, so I think I made the right decision in going highway. Well, I know this is probably going to be a shorter video and a little bit of a weirder one because I didn't expect conditions to be this. Actually, they're not half bad, but I don't want to jinx myself. And I also want to focus on the drive. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.